welcome back to my channel. My name is Nikita. Today I would like to show you guys how I achieved this holiday bouncy curls, and this is a wig, guys. Yes, and I'm so in love. Look at the bounce. Look at the bounce, guys. It's amazing. So this here is from ONYC Hair, and the holiday seasons are coming up, guys. Yes, Christmas, New Year's, all the holidays, parties and festivities are coming up in December. So I like to show you how you can rock this hair and how you can create this look so you can wear it probably on New Year's Eve, New Year's, or even Christmas, or any other festive season or festive days in December. So if you'd like to see how I achieve these bouncy curls, just keep on watching. So guys, this is the hair freshly washed. It's a very flowy and bouncy. I love it. And this is a wig. I made it myself, yes. And the hair is from ONYC Hair. This is their Sassy Remy body wave. At the bottom I have the two 18-inch bundles. In the middle I have the 16-inch bundles, and at the front the 14-inch closure. Alright, so the hair, it's lovely, lustrous, as you can see, flowy, and I love it. Okay, so I'm gonna part the hair in two to start off with, and I'm just gonna hold it together with my clip so it stays in place. Oh. Yep, and we're gonna focus now on this side. So I always start at the front of my hair, taking this amount of hair, and I just wrap it around my barrel. That, hold it in place, and I let it fall into place. Into place, and I hold it with a bobby pin like that. Okay, so now we're all finished curling the hair and pinning them up. What I tend to do is I tend to go in with my finishing spray, and then I will use my Got to Be freezing spray. So I make sure I cover all the hair with the finishing spray. This will basically give it a shine and also let the curls stay in place throughout the day. So I won't put a lot of the Blast and Freeze spray. I tend to put it at the back because the back curls are the curls that tend to drop the fastest. Just spray it at the back there, and a tiny tip at the front, and that's it. So after spraying the hair, I let it stay for 5 minutes, and then I go in and pull down the curls. this side as well, do the same. Just fluff it out. Yeah, that's it. So yes, this is how the curls are looking, and I love it. It's bouncy, it's flowy, it's everything a girl needs for the holidays. So hopefully you like it, and if you're interested in this hair, it's the ONYC hair. I will link their website down below, and also the website to this here. This is their Sassy Remy body wave. And yes guys, thanks for watching, and see you in my next one. Bye.